Welcome to another chapter of Getaway Diaries. This time we are exploring the Isle of Skye, an island in the western part of Scotland. Our first stop is Eilean Donan Castle.
Eilean Donan is a small tidal island situated in the western highlands of Scotland, about 1 kilometre from the village of Donie.
It is connected to the mainland by a footbridge that was installed early in the 20th century and is dominated by a picturesque castle that frequently appears in photographs, film, and television.
Eilean Donan is part of the Kintail National Scenic Area, one of 40 in Scotland. The castle is at the confluence of three sea lochs, namely Loch Duik, Loch Long and Loch Elsh.
Eilean Donan, which simply means Island of Donan, is named after Donan of Aig, a Celtic saint.
The island's original castle was built in the 13th century. It became a fortress of the Clan Mackenzie and the Clan Macrae.
As a result of the Mackenzies' involvement with the rebels early in the 18th century, government ships destroyed the castle in 1719.
The present-day castle is Lieutenant Colonel John Macrae's 20th century reconstruction of the old castle.
If you are interested in visiting the castle, you have the option of buying a ticket for £350 only to explore the castle exterior. Or the full ticket is priced at £12, which includes both the interior and the exterior of the castle. Thank you for watching. Let's meet again with another getaway chapter in the Isle of Skye. Stay tuned.